If you are a patient interested in OraCare, here's what you need to know. Okay, so first things first, OraCare is a professional rinse. So this means you can't go to your local drugstore and pick this up off the shelf. You actually have to go in and get it from a dental professional. So I would suggest if your office that you go to doesn't already carry OraCare, just ask them about it and ask if they would be willing to carry it so that you have it available. Okay, so now you might be wondering, well, why would I prefer OraCare versus any other rinse I can get my hands on? Well, there's a lot of different reasons. So if you struggle with bad breath or if you just simply want to prevent bad breath, I would strongly recommend using OraCare because it is excellent at combating this issue. I could probably make a whole separate video on why that is, but just know it is great at this. Another reason is that it really helps with dry mouth. Now, a lot of people like to use Biotene because it helps with this issue too. I would say the benefit of OraCare is you get a lot more benefits to this rinse and also the same ingredients as Biotene added in. So you're kind of tackling more than one issue with one product, which we all love. Now, I love recommending OraCare because it effectively kills bacteria, and not only that, it actually helps reduce other pathogens like viruses and fungus. In the past, you may have been prescribed something like Paradex, or another name for it is chlorhexidine. If you've struggled with things like gingivitis, sometimes they'll even recommend it after surgery and things like that, and that's because it really does do a good job of killing bacteria. But OraCare is actually just as effective at killing the bacteria, but it's going to combat those additional pathogens like I mentioned, and it's not going to have the negative side effects that come with chlorhexidine. So chlorhexidine, if you use it long term, it can actually cause cytotoxic effects. It can alter your taste buds. You might have noticed staining, things like that. OraCare provides all the benefits with none of the side effects, which we all love. It's safe for everyday use. I personally use it every single day in my own hygiene routine, and I love recommending it to patients that struggle with things like gingivitis or periodontal disease.